This is the 1P20S 125Ah LFP battery module developed by Luoyang Tianhuan. With 64 volts and 125 ampere-hour, the 1P20S module offers 8 kilowatt-hour in a compact design. This module is widely used in residential storage, commercial energy systems, and off-grid solutions, etc. Customizations are available for dimensions, electrical specifications, and interface types. The module has a plastic top with clear polarity marks. Steel straps on the sides reinforce the structure while ensuring heat dissipation. Stamped aluminum end plates provide excellent thermal conductivity and mechanical strength. On both sides of the CCS are high-voltage interfaces. FPC are embedded, allowing integration of temperature and other sensors, along with reserved communication ports for system-level monitoring and diagnostics. All cells are A-grade lithium iron phosphate, delivering reliable performance and consistent quality. From cells to modules to complete battery packs, Tianhuan is committed to delivering highly integrated and highly reliable energy solutions tailored to your needs. The module is fully certified to meet UL, CE, UN 38.3 and other international standards. Feel free to contact us anytime. We are always ready to support you. Luoyang Tianhuan, powering a greener and smarter future.